So 2 games into the new English Premier League season, and already Manchester United coach Jose Mourinho is selling red-hot favorite to be the first coach to get fired this season. But big people think, I don't want Jose to get fired. First of all, it's Manchester United him coach, and no Liverpool fan wants a Manchester United coach to get fired when that Manchester United coach is losing his mind, losing his players, losing games, and losing titles. So we want him to stay there for life. The next reason is that the league will be boring without Jose. No other coach in football talks the irrational nonsense and cry and bawl like baby like Jose Mourinho. Seriously though, Manchester United is the richest club in the world. They have spent over £800 million in the last 5 seasons. Mourinho himself spent about half of that money, and him still want more to spend. This is not a squad of squab players. Of the 4 central defenders at the club right now, is the same Jose by 2 of them, and the other 2 are title-winning centre-backs. But instead of working with the players he has, all him do is blame the players and look outside at what other clubs have and mope and boop about what him don't have. Instead of refining and improving what him have, which in effect mash up the meds and performances of the players he actually has. All of which has Manchester United in early season chaos. Anyway, no business in a post fight.